Walsh.
My name is Joe Walsh. I represent Individuals for Justice, the ACLU, the Lawyers Guild, League of Women Voters, Individuals for Justice, Cop Watch, all of the committees and all of the people that have worked on this for years and years are telling you not to do this. And think about what's going to happen here. You're going to lose. You're going to appeal to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeal, which, if you know anything about this court, they defend their judges. They don't like it when someone criticizes their judges. And that's what you have to do. You have to go and you have to say, this judge is wrong. Just like Commissioner Novick said, this judge is wrong. And you have to say that to judges that like this judge. He's very popular. So you're going to lose, and you're going to waste the money. And in the paperwork that you submitted on this, you said there's no cost involved in this. Now, I want you to bag this, because I have never heard of going to an appellate federal court with no cost. It's free. It's not going to cost you. It's not going to cost your city attorney. It's not going to cost fees. It's not going to cost 2 years of messing around with this. For what? Because a judge wants to look over your shoulder, and let's be clear, that's what he wants, because he doesn't trust you like we don't. We don't trust this body. We don't trust the police department. We don't trust the Department of Justice either. We trust this judge. 60 of us, organizations, testified for 2 days with this judge, and he was stunned by our testimony. And he was concerned enough to say, I can only do one of two things, either accept or reject this settlement. That's his options, that's it. However, he can hold it over your head and say, you know what? I just have this small thing. I want you to come once a year and tell me what you're doing. And if you do that, I'll let this go. And I'm telling you right now, if you go into the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals and tick this judge off, you know what? He still has the ability, and ask your city attorney this question, he has the ability to say, that's it, go to court. You're on trial, just like the other cities. We got a bargain here, folks, and you're screwing it up. And if you go into the Ninth Circuit and you waste the money and you lose, you all should resign. You should resign, every one of you that sign on to this, because you're embarrassing us. This will be a national embarrassment when you finish with it. And for what? For what? You're wasting money, you're wasting time, you're embarrassing us, and you get nothing at the end because the judge holds the keys. Do not mess with a federal judge. I'm telling you, I worked in federal employment for a long time and dealt with federal judges because I was the chief steward for the IBEW under federal sector, and we had to deal with federal judges. Do not mess with them. If you embarrass this judge, I'm telling you, you're going to lose, and you're going to lose big. And we are going to be very, very angry.